Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel GyaanTech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because more awesome videos are coming your way. I'm Tom, and let's jump right into this video. I will show you the top 6 free video editors you can use for professional video editing. All these editors are powerful, beginner-friendly, and completely free. Let's start. Number 1. DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is one of the most powerful free editors used by Hollywood professionals. Most famous features: advanced color grading, professional video editing, timeline fusion, VFX for effects and motion graphics, Fairlight audio tools, exports in 4K, best for YouTube creators who want cinematic videos, color grading, and high-quality editing, short films, VFX work, tech videos, travel videos. Number 2. CapCut. CapCut is a very easy video editor made by the creators of TikTok. Most famous features: auto caption, auto subtitles, trendy templates, AI background, removes smooth slow motion, simple transitions, and effects, best for Reels, Shorts, TikTok videos, beginners who want fast editing, aesthetic, and trendy edits. Number 3. Clipchamp. Clipchamp is Microsoft's free online video editor. Most famous features: very simple drag and drop editing, free templates, text-to-speech, voiceover, screen recording, plus webcam recording, online editing, no heavy PC needed, best for YouTube beginners, PC users who want lightweight editing, tutorials, vlogs, screen record videos. Number 4. OpenShot. OpenShot is very easy to use, super beginner-friendly, unlimited track, simple transitions and animations, 3D title maker, works well on low-end computers, best for beginners, simple YouTube edits, educational, and family videos. Number 5. Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a popular free editor for Linux, Windows, and Mac. Most famous features: multi-track timeline, free templates and transitions, proxy editing for slow PCs, lots of customization, best for long-form YouTube videos, editing on low-end laptops, Linux creators. Number 6. HitFilm. Artlist.io 100% online editor, no installation needed, huge library of stock videos, music, and sound effects, drag and drop timeline editing, smart editing tools, exports in HD and 4000. Best for quick social media videos, Reels, Shorts, TikTok, YouTube intros, and promo videos, editors working on low-end laptops, no heavy software needed. If you want a tutorial for any specific editor, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.